everyone. Today we are going to work through a simple problem. We are going to find the length of a string using recursion. So input is a string and then output is the length. Simple, right? So let's start coding. stdio.h int name. Here we are going to first define a character, name the string, going to store 20 at max of 20 characters. Print f, let the user know that they have to enter a string, and then percentage s for taking string input. Here we don't have to use ampersand with string because we are getting input in a string, not integer or float or something like that. So we don't need to use ampersand. Then int length is equal to length of a string. Here we are going to pass in the string that we get as input, and then we count, right? So we are going to pass the count as well. Count will be initially 0. So we don't really need to define a variable for that. Before that, we should actually print what is the length, right? Printf. By the way, don't worry, we are going to define the function length of a string a little bit after this. So we have to just let the user know that length of the string is percentage %d, and that is it. We are going to use slash n. Here we are just going to print the length, right? So pretty simple. Over here we are going to define int length of a string is going to take uh, char string, and it's going to also take count, and then if a string of 0, so let's say that first character is null, then we are going to break our stuff. Not really stuff, I mean we are going to break our loop, right? So return count over here, right? Otherwise we are going to just call length of a string, and then we are just going to pass string its first character. We are going to pass the address to the first character of a string, because from there we are going to iterate, right? And then we are going to count plus plus to do. Here the error is because we are not like showing the data type, and this should be it, right? Other, yeah. So this is it. Visual Studio Code is a little bit what should I call it, slow. So I think this should be pretty much good if I'm not mistaken. So let's go into the recursion folder, recursion dir cd. Name of the folder is length of a string, clear, and then gcc output flag output main.c. What is the error? We need to pass the address, so we actually need to do this thing right here. We need to pass in the address over here, most likely that. And if that is, hoping that the error is fixed. What does it say? Multi-character constant. Is it because of this? It can't be, right? Yeah. I always forget which one is forward slash, which one is backward slash. Anyways, let's try to run the program. So we just have to do output E P R A B H A T, and we are expecting 7. Hopefully that everything works fine. It's print 0. It's ridiculous. Why is it like that? wait a second, we can do this, right? So we are going to print the value of count every single time, right? Remember, this is not Python, so we cannot do it like this. Control D. I'm not. I mean amper. So it's the sign percentage D, and then we are going to do this, hoping that this works well, right? Let's see if it works. It it keeps printing zero. Are we not passing zero over here? Yes, we are passing zero, and zero is being stored over here. Then why is the count not incrementing? The value of count should increase, right? Every single time the function is called, the value should be increasing, and yet it seems like it is not increasing. Why is it? Why is it that it is not increasing? We can do it like this: count is equal to count plus one, but I doubt that is the case because we can just keep passing count, hoping that. Yeah, now it is working properly. Maybe I don't know why it did not work that well, but yeah, now it is actually working quite well. It is actually getting the length of the string, so I think we are fine. We don't need to print this anymore. So basically, and remember, this program won't work if you enter something like Prabhat Kumar, then it's going to reject the Kumar part and it's only going to count Prabhat. So you cannot use white space, right? Let's try to run it one more time. We not like this though. We have made some changes, so we are going to recompile the program and then we are going to rerun the program. Let's see. T. So we expect an output of 3. Yep, it is correct. Now teapot 6, correct. Monkey 6, correct. Now we want to do it like this: monkey D loopy. Now remember, here we have a white space, right? So this whole thing is going to be removed. Scanf won't take this as input, and even if it did, the program is such that, I mean, I'm not sure. Is white space? Yeah, I think if I'm not mistaken, let's say even if we are able to pass monkey D Luffy, the program should just only print a 6 because without white space we have passed only the length of the string without any white space is 6. Here we do get a white space and that just counts as this one if I'm not mistaken. Uh, we can check that later on, but for now, we should expect the output to be 6. And there you go, the output is 6. So our program is working absolutely properly. There is no like mistake. So that is it. I'm just going to see you guys in the next video.